Bonjour everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easiest way to make cow feet. I'm using a bag of cow feet that I got from my local supermarket. And as always, the first step is to give it a good clean. So I use lime, lemon, and vinegar and rub each piece thoroughly. To rinse, I let it sit in boiling hot water for 1 minute, and then I rinse it off twice with cool water. Now to cook the cow feet, I'm using a tall pot because I just feel like it steams better, but this is optional. You can use any pot you have. After adding in the cow feet, all you do is add enough water to cover it completely. Allow this to cook for 2 to 3 hours, adding in more water every time it absorbs. You should do this about 2 to 3 times. Now it's time to make the sauce. In another pot on medium heat, add some olive oil and some tomato paste. Next, we're gonna add some Haitian Epis. I'm using Neguess Creole Haitian Epis. Saute this for a few minutes until it starts to blend. Then you're gonna add in the cow feet. And the way you know that the cow foot is ready is that it should be easy to cut through with a fork. When all the seasonings have been blended in well, it's time to add in the water that the cow foot was boiling in. Next, add in some chopped peppers, onions, and whatever else you'd like. Allow this to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's well blended into a very yummy, tasty, thick sauce. And voila, you have tasty cow feet.